Picture this: a tense standoff between a man and an aggressive pit bull. The man, driven by adrenaline, lunges at the dog's owner, but he's miscalculated. The pit bull, fiercely loyal, springs into action. In the blink of an eye, the attacker is on the ground. The pit bull's protective instincts have kicked in. The dog stands its ground, a clear warning to anyone else who might threaten its owner. The man, now subdued, realizes the error of his ways. The takeaway? Never underestimate the loyalty and protective nature of a pit bull, or any dog for that matter. They are more than just pets. They are family, guardians, and sometimes our fiercest protectors. Remember, respect goes a long way when dealing with man's best friend.